Originally I went to college. I studied engineering, physics, chemistry and history, but then I decided that I wanted something that was a bit more hands-on. I knew I wanted to do engineering, which is why I applied for EEF. I did the online tests and then I came to an assessment day and they were all really lovely, and they liaised with the employer and gave me interview tips, gave me phone calls, and it was a very easy process, and it was very daunting at first, but they definitely relieved that. I enjoy the fact that it's not only hands-on but it's also quite academic, so we have one day of BTEC and then the rest is hands-on with different subjects that are involved. At my company I'm doing tool making and tool and die maintenance, so I'm learning how to build the tools, but I'm also learning how to install them. I'm learning how to do air fittings. We even had units added in that we weren't meant to do, so I've done a bit of robotics, not necessarily what I need for my employer, but it's great for individual growth and learning new things. It is really good because I'd like to go into Lean and Six Sigma, and the tutor here is brilliant. He's been all around the world doing Six Sigma, doing Lean, and he's very knowledgeable, and he's always happy to send me emails showing me like routes and courses you can go down and talk to your employer about. It's brilliant, you learn so much. It's been one of the best decisions I've ever done.